Folks, example number 3, it says find the number halfway between the given numbers. Halfway between the given numbers. Okay. Anytime I'm looking for a number halfway between the... Gatlin, sit up. Thank you. Didn't want to put it on the internet. There it is. All right. If I'm looking for a number exactly in the middle, all I'm looking for is its average. Just its average. For instance, -3 and 5. Think of the number line. What's the number exactly in the middle of these two? From -3 to 5. What number do we fall on? Tucker? 1. Okay? Another way of finding it is adding -3 and 5. What is -3 plus 5? 2. And then dividing by the two numbers? 1. To find a number halfway between two numbers, we find their averages, which means we add them and divide by 2, or multiply by 1/2. All right? So help me with this. Bella, will you change this first one to an improper fraction for me? Not to a decimal, but to an improper fraction. -26 over 5. Okay? I don't want to change them to decimals because this is repeating, and that's going to get ugly. Okay? Emma, can you change this second one to an improper fraction for me?
Sure. 26 over 3.
Great. Now we want to add these two things together, so they need a common denominator. Maddie, what is the common denominator between these two? 15. All right? So I need to multiply the first one by 3 and the second one by 5. Trey, what do I get as the numerator of the first one?
78.
-78.
Oh, sorry, -78.
Good. Okay. What do I get as the numerator for the second one? Tucker?
That would be 130.
Nice. 130. Okay. So now, I haven't done anything. I just changed them to fractions and got a common denominator, so I can add them. When I add these two fractions, what do I get, Ryan, when I add those two fractions?
I'm going to get, maybe like,
Okay, I've got 78 negatives and 130 positives, so I'm going to have a positive number left over. How many, Trey? 52 over 15, right? I don't know if that reduces at all. I don't think that it does, because only 3 and 5 go into 15, and neither 3 nor 5 go into 52. Okay? Now, I've added them. What do I still have to do to find the number right in the middle? Anyone else been in the room? Okay, good. Dane?
you have to multiply the whole thing by 1/2.
Multiply by 1/2 or divide by 2. So I'm multiplying by 1/2, and that's just going to give me 52 over 30. That I need to reduce. 2 goes into both of them. 26 over 15. So 26/15 is the number halfway between -5 1/5 and 8 2/3. Okay? All right. Add them, divide by 2. Done. Let's look at the next one.